What up, crypto lovers and enthusiasts? Today we're gonna look at some tweets that a guy named Samson Mao. He's basically a CEO of a company, and he also has a very strong presence, influence, and he's been speaking to a lot of Latin American presidents lately regarding Bitcoin. So I don't know, Bitcoin whisperer to heads of state. But he made some interesting tweets that I want to share with you. We're also gonna take a look at the price of Bitcoin because it's looking very, very strong. Somebody knows something. And then we're also just going to finish it off with 3 low cap gems that are in some good DCA areas. The Tectum, Naka, and Synverse. Tectum under $10 at the time of doing this video. Naka under $2, and Synverse consolidating before its next leg up. We're going to look at those charts. And so without further ado, let's do this. Let's do this. Here we are. So look at this beautiful move the last few days, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 last. And then I made mention yesterday that maybe we could be playing right here, underneath here for a little bit before going up, and then maybe playing in this triangle. But look at this. It ripped through this, and it's ripping through here. You know, when is the next stop? I also mentioned that possible head and shoulders. If that is the case, that's about $56,000. People are front running this potential ETF approval, guys, because somebody knows something. That's what I think. And you know, the entities, applicants are already seeding their Bitcoin, are already like getting stuff ready for apparently what they believe to be impending approval, right? From anywhere between now and January 10th, there's going to be an approval, and this thing is going to skyrocket. Although after that, you know, between the approval and the launch, I do expect some type of dip, right? Which would probably be the last one. Depending on how high it goes, I could give you an idea of how low that dip could be, right? Because if this goes into the 50s, we're not gonna see. I don't think, maybe 30s. We'll probably see like 40s, 41, right? But if it's in the 40s, yeah, then maybe we could see like the top of this 38 range, 35, 37. As far as I can see it, and that would probably be at the beginning of the new year's when I would say I think we'd get some type of a drop, because eventually things have to drop, right? We have to have some type of correction. That's what crypto, Bitcoin historically have done, and that'll probably be your last chance before the halving to really just accumulate your final bags, and then wait for that halving for things to get really crazy after that. But Bitcoin looks strong here, guys. Looks very strong. Let's see where it ends the day, though. You know, if we can hold this area and build from up here, you know, step up and stay right here in this triangle. At the top is 44,754. So pretty interesting. All right. Now we're good for times. Now let's take a look at 3 tokens. Oh, okay. Tectum is right back to $10. It looks like it might be finding its way down here. Anything under $10 for Tectum is actually not bad. Not bad at all. My average buy price $5.39. That keeps dropping because I have it in staking, where I'm earning, like, I don't forget, something crazy. But it's only for this final month, and then after that, I don't know what they're gonna do for staking. I think they're gonna do their own staking. But I made a video about that, so you can go check that out. Okay, so nice little run up, and now we've turned over, and probably gonna build a base somewhere around here, right? Maybe below 10 cents. I mean $10. Maybe touch $8.77. Anything under $10, guys, if you could get it, and if it does stay down here, this would probably be the next accumulation area before the next leg up. And I think this thing can fly, or else I wouldn't be putting in your radar, or else I wouldn't be invested in it. Another one, Nakamoto Games, which just has very short little sideways action before the next moves, right? And maybe we're going to experience a very short sideways action. This morning was lower, right? It's at 198 right now. It was this morning as low as 187. I did add to not my hodl bag, because I have a nice hodl bag that I haven't touched with my average price of 42 cents. But up here, I started just buying so I can take some extra capital for short-term gains. I mentioned that I had started doing that in a video yesterday, and I forgot to mention that one of the tokens that my strong convictions was Nakamoto Games. All right, I think I can ride it up and make another easy 2x on the money that I have invested in this from here. Although we could do something like this for a few days, right? Few weeks maybe before the next leg up. So you do have to exercise some patience, all right? And then Synverse. Before Synverse, as I mentioned yesterday, I sold VeChain around here, like 40, 42, 42, no. Yeah, right around here, basically, right around here, 41, 42, 42, I mean 22.022. And now look at it, it's at 0.024, gone against me. When I sold that, I put it into sin, thinking I was a smart guy up here, and it did this. But that's all right, that's all right. It's still developing, although right now it does hurt, and maybe sin does lose the structure, and we drop down a little more, you know, maybe to a penny. Do we come down here? I have a tough time seeing that, because look at all these wicks right here, right? Look at all these wicks. All these wicks right here are basically people just buying up this price, you know. So maybe we do base, you know, at around here where we're at 0.013, slightly below it, or maybe slightly above it before with the next leg up, and that next leg up I think is going to be very nice. Look at this move by Sinverse here. Boom, boom, break, boom, boom, boom. Next leg up, whenever it is, you know, maybe in December, boom, up. All right, so hopefully I will get medication on this trade. I do believe very strongly in this crypto. Right now it's less than a $10 million market cap. Grand Theft Auto came out today. Sinverse is basically like the blockchain version of Grand Theft Auto. So I think it has a very, very, very bright future. Definitely one to take a look at, and definitely in a juicy area to buy. You know, I don't know that it goes too much lower. The other negative bullish thing that we could possibly see here is a inverse head and shoulders, but it would have to drop more, and then it would have to create that shoulder right around here. But it's you know, when could that be? Maybe again in December, but we'll see. Still not a bad area to buy. Nibble before the next leg up. We don't know when that's going to happen, but I think it will happen because it's just such a low market cap, guys. All right, so quick video today. We're gonna leave it at that. Very interesting tweets by Samson Mao. All right, so he is expecting Bitcoin price essentially to just go parabolic in the not too distant future, guys. And I tend to agree. And not just Bitcoin. Obviously, Bitcoin is like the star of the show, but we want Bitcoin to go up, and by extension, crypto is also price is gonna. That money will eventually trickle its way down to the large caps, the mid caps, and then to the small caps, guys. And those things are gonna fly because it doesn't take much money to pump a small cap, you know, with less than a $10 million market cap or whatever. So things to think about, guys. And I think that's it. All right. Tectum, Naka, Sinverse. Interesting plays right now to DCA into. Definitely ones, all of them, with 100x potential. All right, Naka maybe 80x potential because it's already pumped a lot, but you never know. It could pump up. It could pump even more, and I think it will. My money is saying that it will. I'm betting that it will. All right, so things look good, guys, but always just be careful of that downside. There's always that downside risk. It could happen. All right, so just be smart, and I will talk to you guys tomorrow. If you can, please like, please subscribe, please leave a comment. Greatly appreciate it. Trying to grow this channel. I do see the numbers growing, so really thank you for that. All right, guys, talk to you guys later. See you guys tomorrow. Talk to you guys tomorrow. Peace.